Hello, friends. My name is Samir, and today I am going to share with you four stocks. I'll be taking you through the fundamentals of this stock, why these stocks look promising in the near future with the current state of market, why I think there's a possibility of these stocks going up. I'll be sharing with you the entry, stop loss, and exit plans for these four stocks. Before I take you to these four stocks, this is the disclaimer. Whatever I am presenting here is based on my analysis. I request you post this webinar. You should go and analyze on your own. And then if you feel right, then you should do investing or trading in the stocks. So let's dive into the stocks straight away. Now, the first stock which I would like to share with you is Krishna Institute of Medical Sciences. Now, here, when we go on the screener, we see I have typed this Krishna Institute of Medical Sciences first itself. If we scroll down, and here is the Krishna Institute of Medical Sciences. If we see the 3 years performance and 5-year performance, as compared to its peers, it looks quite decent. Even for 5 years, it looks way ahead of its competitors. ROE and ROCE are also good as compared to competitors. And sales variable is also good. Apart from that, if you see the FII and DII changes, so you will observe that in March 22, FII increased their stake and DII also have increased their stake. So even though the market was very volatile, FII and DII both purchased in this stock. So basically, they are interested in the stock as of March 31st. That way, it looks promising. The whole data is as of March 31st. So as of March 31st, it looks promising. Now, coming to the chart, let me hide this. Okay. The stock has been in an uptrend. So I've drawn this uptrend line. I'll just demo in this talk how to draw this uptrend line. Just go here, pick up the ray, and join of this thing. So this stock has been uptrend for last 1 year. It has been going up, up, up. Now, from almost what will you say 5th Jan onwards, it is in a consolidation mode. If you have seen my webinars on Triangle, if you have not seen, you can search for the webinars on Triangle. It seems to be in a triangle mode right now. So the question number 1, should we buy? I will give you 2-3 ideas for buying. You can analyze on your own and choose whatever you would like to. As you are aware, I am a sort of breakout trader. I don't like to buy when it is going down. I usually like to buy when it is going up. So this is the pivot high. I have explained in my webinars what is pivot high. Normally, the highest point in the 5 candles is the pivot high. The trade possibility is number 1, buy at this level, which is 1305 approximately. Your stop loss will be this trend line. This closes below trend line, and your target will be this trend line, which you will have to draw on your chart. So we can say 1305 is the target. The entry, roughly 1430 should be your target, and this 1235 should be your stop loss. You have to follow the risk management. This is the option number 1 for buying this KIMS. Second option number 2 is you wait for it to come till here, let it touch down here on this triangle, and then go up. So that is the option number 2. When you follow the option number 1, you are buying at this location, and if it is going up, Then, as you see, this is a triangle formation. And what is the likelihood of it going, if it breaks this triangle here, and if it continues to go, instead of you booking the profit here, you move your stop behind this. And in case this breaks, this triangle breaks and goes up. Let's see how far it is likely to go. 1 minute. Then let's take the conservative estimate. Then, okay, let me take more conservative estimate. This, okay, let's say this will go. This is the triangle theory. This is not my theory. And if it breaks the triangle on the upside, it is likely to go till this 1773. So once it breaks from here, what you can do is buy here, tail it till here, you can book some profit. If you're okay, let it break the triangle, go up, you can put your stop loss here so that you have some profits. If it goes, it will go till there. But be aware, if it goes here and closes below this line, don't wait, you have to exit. Starts falling from here, it is likely to fall as per the triangle theory till 867. Okay, so don't think I'll wait for it, it is a good performance, it will ek din aayega, ye stock palat ke upar jayega. This is a technical analysis and we are trading as per the technical analysis. So don't be optimistic if it hits stop loss. Don't be pessimistic when it reaches to your target and starts going up. So let's move forward to the next stock. Next stock in the line is Raymond's Limited. So let's see fundamental about this Raymond's. Raymond's peer comparison looks good. Profit variable 3 years, 32%, good, very good. So it's a compounded return for 3 years, looks good as compared to its peer group here. For 5 years also, Raymond's looks good. ROE and ROCE also looks good. The sales growth is leading. Fantastic. Let's see what FII and DI were thinking about this share in March 2022. तो FII DI ने भी बाइंग किया है इन मार्च, एज ऑफ मार्च. ओके, उसके बाद उनका क्या प्लान चेंज हुआ अपने को पता नहीं, बट एज ऑफ मार्च दे वर बुलिश इन दिस. ओके, लेट्स सी द चार्ट्स. नाउ इफ वी सी द चार्ट्स, ओके, seems to be in uptrend, pretty much uptrend. It has been bouncing from this, going up here. Anyway, it is in channel right now. This is moving in the channel. What we foresee is it will go till here. So one option is you can buy above this high, take it here, keep a. So I'll just mark the lines. You can note down the numbers by pausing the video. This is your stop line. If it crosses above this, buy around this line, stop loss. And this is the target. So every time what you can do is you can draw this trend line, comes to trend line, buy a trend line, and take it, you can keep the target for the top of trend line. So this is how there is a possibility of trading in this stock. Again, if it goes below this trend line, let's say 773 or something like that, don't become optimistic that nahi ye upar jayega. Normally, when the people are in loss, they start becoming optimistic. This we are not doing trading. Sorry, we are not doing. We are trading. In short, we are trading. So don't turn optimistic. कि नहीं एक दिन आएगा ये पलट के ऊपर जाएगा. Don't do it. Just hits a stop loss. You exit. That's it. Wait for another opportunity. When it comes here, when it again it turns around, ride the wave. This is how we have to do swing trading. If it goes down, then there is a likelihood that it will go further down. So don't take chances. So this is the entry. We can say around 880. You can keep stop loss at 830 and keep a target of 1032 for Raymond's. Now, let's say the next one is tin plate. Let's tin plate. What fundamentals are telling us? Okay, tin plate company. Okay, so looks good. Tin plate looks good as compared to its peer. 3 years variable. Gravita India, okay, it is little less than that. Profit variable, much better. ROCE and ROE in competition with Gravita. So, and now let's see what FII and DII. FII have increased their stake and DII 0.01. ठीक है, फिर भी कुछ तो बढ़ाया, मतलब ऐसा नहीं था कि नहीं बढ़ाएंगे. FII also increased, DII also increased as of March 22. अच्छा न्यूज है, अच्छा न्यूज है. Let's see. This also stock has been an uptrend for quite some time. Now, where you can buy, there is a pivot high which has formed here. Let the pivot high form, then you can enter. The target one is here. Why I have drawn here is we have to be little cautious about this. There may be a possibility of head and shoulder formation. So this is one shoulder, this is the head formation. In case it starts going down, exit immediately, don't take this target. So this is your target one and this is your target. This will be your entry here. 354 will be your entry. Target one, for target two. Put a very tight stop loss when it comes here, because it's forming a head and shoulder. There is a likelihood that it will have a sharp. The fourth, last and but not the least, Bank of Baroda. Again, it's on a uptrend. It has been on a trend for now. What FII are doing? FII, Bank of Baroda, yes, it is not the leading in all these numbers, but as you see, the FII is buying. They have increased their stakes like 1%, 2%. They have increased, which is substantial. So again, it's an uptrend. Where should we buy? We buy at this level. When it crosses at this level, we buy at 103, 104. Then keep the target of the uptrend line 126. Stop loss is the lower trend line. If it closes below that, exit. सोचने का नहीं. अगर stop loss hit होता है, take some losses, exit. Follow your risk management, follow your money management for doing the trading. Thanks a lot for watching this video. See you on next Friday, where I'll come with again 3 to 4 topics for next week. Thanks a lot. If you like my video, you can subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thanks a lot.